Hello, boys and girls. Let's start by making some letters again today, making sure we're writing them correctly. Let's start with letter A. Skyline to the grass, skyline to the grass, cross at the plane. Lowercase a, skyline curves around to the grass. Did I say plain line curves around to the grass and then back down to the grass? A, apple, a. I'm going to do that one more time. A, apple, a. Then I'm going to do letter T. So I'm going to do a line across at the sky and then a line from the sky down to the grass. T, top, t. Lowercase t goes from the skyline to the grass, but then its little line crosses at the plane. And we can say T, top, t. Let's do letter C. Letter C is a big curve touching the skyline and the grass line. Lowercase c, little curve, plain line to the grass line. And we can say C, cat, k. C, cat, k. Let's do letter I. So we have a little line across the sky. Then we have our big line, skyline down to the grass. And then a little line across at the grass. Lowercase I, plain line to the grass, give it a dot. And we can say I, itch, I. I, itch, I. And lastly, we're going to do letter D. Skyline down to the grass, big line. Trace it back up and then a big curve skyline to the grass. Lowercase d, plain line to the grass, then all the way back up to the sky and straight back down to the grass. And I can say D, dog, d. D, dog, d. Okay, now we're going to tap out some words and write them again. Okay, so let's start with the word fix. Tap it. Ix. Fix. And then we'll write it. We're using all lowercase letters. Ix. Fix. And I can use my dots to help me. Ix. Fix. Okay. Next word is lap. Let's tap it first. Lap. Lap. Here we go. Lap. 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 My next word is web. Eb. Web. So I'm going to use lowercase letters there. I'm going to start with W, E, B, B. And I can tap out eb, web. Next word, not. You guys are getting good at this. Not. Not. Again, I'm using lowercase letters. Plain line to the grass, back up to the plane, and one hump for letter N. O, plain line circles around to the grass, back up to the plane. T, skyline to the grass, cross at the plane. Not. Not. Let's do a couple more words. How about the number word for the number 10? I can tap N, 10. Okay, so I'm going to start with lowercase t, skyline down to the grass, cross at the plane, lowercase e, and lowercase n, and I can tap n, 10. And our last word for today is the word bed. Let's try that one. B-ed, bed. Lowercase b, e-d. And I can tap b-ed, bed. Okay, and let's do one sentence before I let you go. So we started with writing letters, then we put letters together to build words, and now let's put some words together to build a sentence. Let's do, did the duck sit on the deck? Dock. That's a long sentence. Did the duck sit on the dock? Let's count the words. Did the duck sit on the dock? So 7 words. We're going to start with capital D for did. D. I. D. Did the duck. D. We get to use CK digraph. D. K. Did the duck sit? It on the dock. CK again. And this is an asking sentence. We're asking, did the duck sit on the dock? And since it's an asking sentence, what do we need at the end? Question mark for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have all my words. Did the duck sit on the dock? Asking sentence with my question mark. Nice job today, boys and girls. I'll see you tomorrow.